In this video, I will show you how to fix the ChatGPT payment declined or failed issue. First, launch open the ChatGPT app, log into your account. Now tap on the two lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, tap on your profile icon. Then head over to your subscription plan. Here you want to make sure that you have added correct information about your credit or debit card. Also make sure they have enough available funds to complete the payment. Then double check that your card number, expiration date, CVV and billing address are entered correctly. Next, verify that your bank allows online and international transactions, as some banks block these payments by default. If necessary, contact your bank to confirm the transaction isn't being declined for security reasons. If the payment still fails, try using a different payment method or another card that supports online purchase. You can also remove your saved payment method and add it again for retrying the payment. If you're using VPN or proxy, disable it and try again. Now, if you're subscribing through Google Play Store or App Store, make sure your payment method in your store account is valid. For that, open Play Store or App Store, then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, select Payment and Subscriptions, then select Payment Methods, and here you want to confirm that your payment method is valid, up to date, and doesn't have any billing issues. If the problem continues, try completing the purchase using ChatGPT web version instead of mobile app, or switch to a different browser and try again. If none of these methods work, wait for a few hours and try again, as the issue may be caused by a temporary payment processing problem. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.